Oh my God, this is delicious. You need to go home and make this right now. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It is time for your drink of the week. All right, guys, we're still sticking with dry January. This last cocktail is going to be perfect. We are making a cosNOpolitan. Get it? Cosno. No. How about no? You get it. If you don't get it, I can't help you. It's in the title. It's right there. Anyways, we're making a cosNOpolitan, completely alcohol-free Seedlip Spice 94. Simple syrup, lime juice, cranberry juice, and then an orange for garnish. Today's episode is brought to you by our friends out in Countryside at Mainstreet Wines and Spirits. Head on over there for all of your wine and spirit endeavors. Ask for Nancy, you will not leave disappointed. Okay, guys, let's get going. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of cranberry juice. 2 ounces of the Seedlip Spice 94. Add some ice. Shake it for 30 seconds, okay? Take your martini glass, guys, and pour it on in. And then lastly, orange peel. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, a cosNOpolitan.